Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an excellent tandoori chicken recipe. This is the simple version because I am using ready-made tandoori masala along with some extra ingredients. The maximum time of preparation is 40 minutes. We can serve it along with some mint coriander chutney. So let's see how to make this super delicious tandoori chicken. Here I have taken one full chicken which I have given tandoori cut. Now we need to give cuts all over these chicken pieces so that masala can go inside easily. Let's prepare masala for marination. I am taking 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curds, strained curds, One hour before preparation, I kept it in a strainer so that all the moisture can be removed from these curds. Now we need to add 3 tablespoons of tandoori chicken masala. Here I am using this masala mix. You can use any masala of your choice. Salt as per taste. Mix well. So our tandoori chicken masala is ready. This one I am going to pour it over the chicken pieces. Coating it well with the prepared masala. After this, I am going to keep this marinated chicken pieces for 1 hour. If possible, you can keep the marination overnight for best results. You can keep this inside the refrigerator and next day you can prepare. But make sure that the chicken is in room temperature before keeping this inside the oven, because there are chances that it may become hard. Chicken should not be too cold. It has to be in room temperature while baking. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 220 degrees. One hour is over. So here I have a baking tray. I am keeping all these marinated chicken pieces in this baking tray. So this is all set to go inside the oven. Keeping this inside the preheated oven. Bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. After 20 minutes, I am taking this outside and greasing with some oil. You can even use some butter or ghee. flipping the side and rubbing some oil. Keep it back to the oven. After 10 more minutes, once again I took it outside, changing the sides once again. Now we need to bake it for 5 more minutes, then it will be ready. So this is ready now. It took exactly 35 minutes to cook. If you feel that this is a little bit dry or something, you can apply some oil or butter. Hope you liked today's video. Until next time, bye bye.